Hey, welcome back to Flour, Eggs, and Yeast. We're going protein today, keto friendly, paleo, low carb, high protein, gluten free, whatever it is you're after. We're gonna be doing some pork chops, bone-in rib chop, center cut. We're gonna do a little play on an Indian South African fusion of butter chicken, but today we're just going to grill some pork in our cast iron. I'm preheating it now. I'm gonna take it out to the grill where it belongs. And it's really super simple. It's really a super simple dish. We're going to use some chili powder. You could use cayenne or whatever blend you like. I'm gonna grind some fresh sea salt and some black pepper, garam masala. All of your major places are gonna have this. This is McCormick Gourmet. It's nice. It's very aromatic. So we're gonna cook a little bit with it, but most importantly, we're gonna dust some on at the very, very end, take advantage of it. What is garam masala, you ask? It is coriander, black pepper, cumin, cardamom, cinnamon, and more. There are a couple of things on here that aren't listed, and it's fine. Just opening it and smelling it, it really gets you going. So this promises to be a treat. It's a little bit of a twist of what we would normally do, and we're looking forward to it. So how are we gonna make this rub? Well, you could sprinkle it on your own, or you could take a teaspoon of each, stir it up, and then coat both sides of the pork. And then, like I said, save a little bit of the garam masala just for a very light pinch of dusting at the end. So let's get started. We're hungry, we need to go. Oh, by the way, I picked one of these up from for Lodge for the cast iron, so you can pick it up while it's hot. Big rookie mistake would be preheating your cast iron and then trying to pick it up with your bare hands. Not gonna work out for you. So this is gonna help out. It's silicone. I think it goes up to like 500 degrees. It's fine. And all right, let's get going. We have a great sunset happening here. We're going about 6 to 7 minutes aside on this pork. It's not too thick, so we're going to err on the side of cooking it a little bit longer than we should. But always use a food thermometer. We try to do 160 or 155 for pork. But yeah, let's take a look at this here in a moment. You can hear it sizzling. It's great. See, it's cooking nice. The smell is amazing. So aromatic. That garam masala is gold. Okay, look at that. Perfect. Looks just how we like it. Gave it a little sprinkle of the garam masala on top for the aromatics and the extra flavor. We're just gonna let it rest here for a few minutes, and then we're gonna start chowing down. That was amazing. Slightly spicy, but mostly a flavorful spice, so it's not really burning my mouth, which is where we want to be. Just a very, very unique way to spice up pork chops that typically have very little flavor because they're such a lean meat. They get dry pretty quick. This one is not. See that again? Perfectly cooked. Extremely thrilled to have shared this. You will be satisfied. Your guests will love this. I am not sharing this. I am going to take these two pork chops down on my own. And until next time, make sure that you subscribe, and we'll bring you some new things. We have more proteins. Maybe we'll run the smoker. Who knows? You're just going to have to subscribe and find out. So, thank you for stopping by.